The OAP all the way from Wazobia FM. Put your hands together for Expensive. DJ, give me music, give me music. Oh, DOC, I beg now, no best. Don't give no boss, no. Because it gets some kind of things where we say where you want to go. Some people don't reach there. Let's gentlemen, please. A round of applause all the way from Wazobia FM. I'll go by the name MC Don, and this is where my world job ends. Boss, thank you very much. I love you.
All right, DJ, thank you. Distinguished ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for yourselves. Please put your hands together for Jare.
DJ, I'm no rush. Thank you. No, I can't mount up the stage like that without giving honor to whom honor is due. You know. So I want to first say a big thank you to Kelly Blind for this show. God bless you. I also want to say a big thank you to my dad for his steady support. Dad, I love you. And to Obi Kings, thank you, bro. Thank you for putting me on. I really appreciate this. And to my second dad, Mr. Kinde, thank you so much, sir. Also, I want this opportunity to tell you, please get your PVC and vote. Together we can make Nigeria better, so vote right. Thank you. Please smash that shit now. Let's go. Are you ready for this? Let's go.
You say you want to be my one and only Amma. Say make I promise I will never leave you, Amma. So I start still fucking and this sex no do more. Tell me what you want to offer me now, Amma. I get stand down, I get level. But you need a big table. I don't care if you still that one not for you. That must be the rules. I don't care what you do for my house. Why you gonna do me? Say now you talk said I don't be your time. Why you gonna do me anyway, Sha? She come, I love the way she take carry herself, she not the flap. It's a who shoot your shot. All I see is my money, one love for one night. I know they give shit. 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 I know they give shit.
Kelly Blind again. I don't know the offense where the guy commits. Kelly Blind again. The guys have been commit. He don't commit, that is why all of them are here. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, my name still remains my name. E to the X to the P. Expensive himself. Any other one that must say is a counterfeit. I'm going to clap around.
See a light. Please, ladies and gentlemen, if you know say God don't bless you, put your hands together for yourself. Then they call artists is all the artists name. People like say they sound like Buhari name for now yet. Nobody they clap. No, we did this problem together for this country. Ladies and gentlemen, in case you're meeting me for the first time, I go by the name MC Banu, so the comedy son of comedy is Royal Talkative online Saturday. I make normal people laugh. If I crack joke, you don't laugh, you know where you belong. I'm not a comedian that say if I crack joke, if you don't laugh, that means say your problem bigger than my ability. Like, if I crack joke, you don't laugh, I'll slap you. You deserve to cry. Like, seriously. Please, I'm a Yoruba boy, I'm a typical Yoruba boy. Please, if you're a Yoruba in the building, put your hands together. You're a proud Yoruba, please put your hands together for yourself. But we know the guesses sometimes. Yeah, we know the guesses. Please, I love the Igbo. Please, ta-ta-ta Igbo kwenu. Who say ye? Who say ye? Ta-ta-ta Igbo kwenu. Who say ye? If you are Yoruba, if I say Omo Yoruba, you say Yala Yae. Omo Yoruba. You see, you are useless. Very useless. We don't guess this. And they talk about Yoruba and Igbo people where, and then they beat me. Yeah, they beat me yesterday for car wash. Yeah. Wow, see Yoruba people. See Yoruba. That's your problem with that. And that's why for Lagos, you know, say where Igbo people and Yoruba people they live different. Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes or no? Now yes. If
For me, oh, I know nobody matter more. Nobody, nobody.
I beg when I know the smiles this question. Nigeria is in dash. A, Africa. B, Asia. C, in trouble. Nigeria is in war. People they frustrate for this country on Monday. Now see where person wear glow polo go do interview for MTN office. I go test you what. I beg all of now they laugh now. They go to say on I no get any wahala or problem. If you not say the squat, time long go they go out so. You not say person when they squat no go get mind to knock door once you don't let to. And you get 3 sets of people where they fit take for bar or lounge. The first set of people where they take now the CEOs. People when they say now they get their company anytime when they let they go work. Second set of people where they take now people where they say them no get work. That one if you like come out, if you like no come out, nobody go ask you. The third set of people where they take pass for bar now people where they own landlord. If you the old landlord, you dey get your house dey bad for your eye, your house go dey ajekule. E go far. Who dey clap na? And Lagos landlord wicked though. If you the old landlord, they no point where may use Maggi Kuko. Bro, stay there now. That time where you never blow, where you broke. Baba go joint. That time where you broke, you dey use Maggi Kuko. That time when you broke, you dey use curry. Let that be. Give me 10K. I'm not begging, I'm fucking people. Don't collect my money. I know your money. If you have money, give me another one. If you have money.
Listen, the truth is they say, you know they say, if you wanna see what they see, the truth is if you see my wife, you go also carry her go market. Now, like I say, Mother's Day. Mercy. No, now my show. Make a perform first. AY call me. AY call me. In case you don't know, AY call me. Say, can you play? When I go take come? He come you. I say, bros. So they come, just they come. They come. AY is going to be in the house. Round of applause. AY is going to be in the house. Now he come you. So, no, now he come you. Now he come you. I know what I'm saying, you know, now he come you. So, what I notice is the joke. When he coming. Aluka, he coming. Asian, he coming. They tell me, he coming.
They tell you.
Yeah, One pastor for Ikotu. He won't open the eye. If you see the one look the pastor with bad eye here. So you know your guesses. Since you know they perform as a pastor, they push for water, they just pray like this. Then I mean you walk up with high. Even the pastor knows the problem your day. I tell the pastor, say if I heard you, you're blind. You don't leave me as I did. I complain on my problem. Oh, they put mark for waiting on concern us.
You don't mind the business.
Me, when I did like this now, I think of waiting to have judges blindness. Make the money they come plenty. When I call it to stop me. When I leave you. When I leave you. Yes. I want to acknowledge somebody in the house. I beg. My daddy there. I beg. I go appreciate you now. I beg a round of applause for Awi. Daddy, you know I'm doing this? You know I'm doing this? You know? Calibrate. I'll support you. You get what I'm saying? Yeah. I'm very truthful to somebody, yeah? Right? Yeah, I will, yeah. Yes, yeah, my 27 years in America is no joke, man. You know? We'll give you all the support. Daddy, I don't know, say your place fine, oh. Jesus Christ. Hey! Jesus Christ. And they come here, I don't know, say I saw this hotel fine. I wait, I know they go ask again. I want to stay now. You see, I will call love me reach one level. As he see me, that's the way I will see me. He say, oh, you're blind. He say, yeah.
JustNiger.com.
See, now let me be the person where they perform like 3 people they guide me. Jesus Christ. No, not be say anything. No, they don't they fear. You know, break the journey because they know say I go give them problem. Huh? Well, okay, master. Yeah, okay.
Yeah, good.
You good, Abi?
If you go, you fall.
You know your guesses. You're a blind man.
Mr. Martins.
Mr. Martins. Now you just pray me. Jesus Christ. People. Aside time. Oh God, man. No worry, I'm gonna mention my name when I go shock at you soon a day. I don't see all of them, man. I don't worry. You go shock all of them today. Me? Nah, as I talk. I will not know, don't forget to. Now, I wake up coming. He said, come here. Come on. You know they see, you drink like this. I tell the cup. Now I will say, are they cup? He said, a minute? I said, yeah. He said, so how do you do it? I said, sir, if you drink, you drunk, now your eye they turn you happy. I will say yes. I said, so me, if I drunk, my eye, it don't go. You know they turn me again. Yeah. Thank you. Now, yes, sir. Now, my freestyle will not do. You see, the truth is that when I do this show, I get problem with only one person for this show. The person is cameraman. You know why? You know why? You know why? If you see me blind, go beg. See the love. I celebrate all of you now. Thank all of you now for the love. God will bless you now. All the artists, everybody. I go still come back home. I never even perform. I never perform. So me and you, I go still come back. See, Alaji, you they spend money. See, Alaji, not be snooker bottle. Alaji, maybe the place snooker on Jesus. Oh, Alaji, I greet you. Oh, see, Tunde Oluwo. I greet you, Tunde Oluwo. Alaji, God bless you. Adaski, I sight you. Anyway, wait, they come aside. You don't know how to sight you. See people. I call Eshem, we said for to tell Eshem, we come out and they shout, hey, Claire, wait, back way. Eshem, Adaski. Come. Eshem, now let these guys execute you. So, DJ, hold on. I'm going now. I'll come back. I beg, I want to appreciate just one person in this house. If the people who are not remember to appreciate, I will still come back. Don't worry. I will call you a name. Yes, I will do. Yes. You get one man there, Mr. Suji. Please, anywhere where you did, please come out. About 1 minute. I know why. Come out, please. Mr. Suji, you know yourself. I know you are a very shy person, but come out. Anyway, where you did, come out. Aside you, come out. Hey,
put your hands together, Mr. Suji.
That's all. Thank you, boy. DJ, 1 minute. You know why? When I wanted to register Inner High Foundation, this man, nice to actually give me the money, say go register your dream foundation. Maybe when I clap for her. God bless you and your wife. God bless you. I will still come back, man, we stand again. So, program.
More money they come.
Feel love. Jesus Christ, God bless all of you. God bless you. So this life be. As I tell you now, you always pray me, I don't always pray me, I see all of you now.
For real.
I see you now. Everybody, you are not going to believe. My eye sees something for this show. To do this show, where is you? This show. For the mind, I don't see anything. No. Oh, Eshamo. Oh, thank you. Eshamo Global. Come, they pray. See, God, they pick this money and they look you. Hey, Eshamo Global. Hey, Eshamo, your frequency clear. See money, see who get money. Clear road. Eshamo, I like that for you. Take me to footmat. Eshamo, see money. Eshamo, I craze. See pronto. And then, Eshamo. They get money. Eshamo money. Hey, I don't craze. Hey, see money. I don't craze.
My life.
I don't craze.
You never craze.
I don't craze.
Your clock still there, buddy.
Make a new condition.
Now.
You said on the Friday, Abby. God bless you. Yes, expensive. Call it expensive. Because as I feel like it. Okay. Please, make I go catch my money by myself. Before this person begin come on here one. No, not carry me below. Don't carry me play. I want to take out my money. Please, I present to you one of the greatest comedians of our time. It's my brother.
Exactly.
He's a content master. He's somebody.
Amaka is in the building. Mama. Shout out to you, my brother. Let it come. DJ, bring it on. Okay, good. Send it on again. One single. Sasiki Entertainment. DJ, let it call you.
Who does not play with my brand, with Kelly? Please join me as I bring on stage MC Mbakara. Thank you.
Thank you. Wait. Please stand. Stand first. Ladies and gentlemen, you don't know they distract my joke. I used to be a very funny comedian when I was broke. Since I made it, I stopped being funny. Because there's no point making you laugh. Kelly, you see, this life, I don't see you this thing because the money one is spray here, nobody don't spray with that money. But that one don't pay me. You know what they pay me? You call all your friends' name, the one when sponsor you, your blind foundation and other things. But you forget who you always call to buy you tire.
Ubagara, when I say you don't say you be colleague, you go introduce yourself. And now you go talk what you don't do for me because if I talk up, if you don't close the show, they go. So I beg, make una join me, give a round of applause. Yes, honestly, yeah, this is a man. Anytime if I dey go radio, go anywhere, my fuel finish, if I call him, he go tell me say anytime you need filling station, I'll give you fuel. Small but mighty. A round of applause for Bagara. Thank you, brother. Thank you, brother.
That was a Kelly Blind talk about because I can't think whether Kelly Blind, DJ, thank you. I can't think whether Kelly Blind is scam me because the way they take call me ask for money.
Oro cash and shower for really. You know normally if Oro they pass, they shout all this sound. Woo, 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 woo. Woo, woo, woo. When Oro cash and shower for really, Oro sing and Oro no when they shout, I hear me the people me. He did it. And you know say normally a Yoruba man no they carry and she play. Hello. Now only Yoruba Martin. One lecturer come and shower joint. It is you know say now where schools don't they realize say lecturers do they destroy people children. So law where they grant now, lecturers now don't they stranded for many hostels. So many of them now don't they come outside, come find babe like normal human being. One idiot lecturer, I don't know what him make and come badore. He come wind down in class like say na moto when and down come they look. When he see the yansh where he like, see the way they call him. We shock when we heard, excuse me, prostitute? Even the girl when they got shocked. When they get done back, actually I want to make love. Like they get shouted, come on for that. We know they make love for you and fuck with the fuck. And no be so they go and shower, come me, you will be excuse you prostitute. They don't say all those things, everything. And they know they like kodu and kodu. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much. My name is No time to waste. No time to waste. Ladies and gentlemen, he is a legend, a freedom fighter, human rights activist, the only man who fights. We be saying, artists don't enjoy for Nigeria. I dey tell you, the only man who fight international fight for Nigeria artists. Ladies and gentlemen, the thing where you don't wait for since. Please, let's put our hands together for the one and only Idris Abdul Karim.
Baby, Mona it's a man's challenge.
I'm going to go out of it. I hate you now.
DJ, we go to Koleye one Jaga, so hold on, yeah. Kelly, how now? Congratulations, my brother.
Thank you, boss. Thank you, boss.
I wish you all the best, my brother.
Thank you.
Keep being yourself, eh?
Thank you, boss.
Amaka, my sister. Angel, Rock Cafe. You too much, my baby. Yeah, you are looking very sexy. Amaka, I sight you. Well done. Anyway, my brother, congratulations. Beautiful place you have here. My name is Idris Abdul Karim, Obasanjo's best friend.
Yes, yo, my name is Real P.
Rugged man, Idris Abdul Karim, dreaming man, it's reality right here. Rugged man, Idris Abdul Karim, you know what I'm saying? Them say I fight 50 cents, see I'm out, them just say I'm anyhow. Them say I'm Bronco, exile, Mr. President calls you, we go flog you. For your information, they met Mr. President one-on-one inside Aso Rock. Them say I know we'll make them again. Them say I ain't got no game. And this music, I'm back again. Can't be one. Say I know like government because them treat my people anyhow. Them say they don't give me show, they won't see how rude boy can survive. We travel to America and Canada, Asian, Caribbean, South Africa. Met in the Soviet, you were doing it right. Now I'm back home black and we're taking the time. For my fans who love me, I thank you as well. Idris is back again. Jaga, ayama, askata, to get wahala for my people so far, we still dey buy water. When I talk, they say who give me mouth to talk. When I yarn, they say who give me mouth to yarn. 50 cents, I'm a man, you know we're kicking the top. Charlie boy, man, you know they're standing for back. Mr. Star, you know now we dey drink the beer. If I like, I go turn green to black, I go make peace with star. I go do our line, don't blend in style. Everybody get the man, you get your man to yarn. Two-Face, get the man, you get your man to yarn. Two-Face won't be like Obasanjo. Me, I won't be like Fela Hani Kulabo. Papa di Popo, Papa Koyewo, Popo di Papa, Papa Koyewo. Reality right here. Turn up my microphone. Shit. My name is Shit. Turn my microphone. Shit. Some reality. Africa World War IV. Get up. Everything's scatter. All my days from my sofa. Bossa. Gunshot in the air. Nigeria, jaga. Everything's scatter. All my days from my sofa. Bossa. Gunshot in the air. I'm real back into your house. You don't take money, you don't make your wife. Went straight up to your bedside. Bossa, sit big down, get down. Which I'm about to want me. Which I'm about to want Johnny. My political and robbery that. Now waiting the kill Nigeria, oh, Nigeria, jaga. Everything's scatter. Come on, this suffer. Bossa, gunshot in the air. Nigeria, jaga. Everything's scatter. Come on, this suffer. Bossa, gunshot in the air. If you say I'm a bia, they look I'm for jail for Abuja. You see I'm going to for here. Had you been there, now you be feeling them. Kepa, inside prison. Everything's scatter. Wait, come on, this suffer. Bossa, gunshot in the air. What you say? Nigeria, jaga. Everything's scatter. Come on, this suffer. Bossa, gunshot in the air. Nigeria, jaga. Everything's scatter. Come on, this suffer. Bossa, gunshot in the air. Africa makes you love, yeah, man. Africa is my home, yeah, man. We did grow, yeah, see them grow.
Everybody sing.
We did grow, yeah, see them grow. That's what I told you now.
Wọ́n ti kúrò ajá, ṣẹ́pà wọ́n ti di rẹ́bùtà.
419 for Nigeria. Agbèrè tó ìkẹjà na 100 naira. 500 naira. Star City and popular. Action film for Nigeria.
Wait, I'm still a bit.
You live in life. If I dey sing for Calabar, that's Nigeria for Nigeria. Everything's jaga. Woman, they suffer. Bossa. Gunshot in the air, watch ya. Nigeria, jaga. Everything's scatter. Woman, they suffer. Bossa. Gunshot in the air. Nigeria, jaga. Everything's scatter. Woman, they suffer. Bossa. Gunshot in the air. Nigeria, jaga. Everything's scatter. Come on, this now we're shutting out the air. Nigeria, jaga. Everything's come on, this now we're shutting out the air. We're shutting out the air. Just like my pillow, I love that. I show the rap, yeah, I love you. Oh, Pashawo, police away in a poster. Oh, Pashawo, Manila, Wali, Nagishi Cross. Oh, Pashawo, DJ X-Pass. Oh, Pashawo, DJ Chilina, DJ Shino. Oh, Pashawo, 40, 50, DJ. Oh, Pashawo, Electric Majority, DJ Waxing. Oh, Pashawo, DJ Abdullah, hey yo, D. Oh, Pashawo, ladies, are you ready? Ladies, are you ready? Ladies, are you ready? Ladies, are you ready? Why I do this? Why I do that? Shake your booty tight. Roll your shaky nice. Why I do this? Why I do that? Shake your booty tight. Roll your shaky. Say who? Shake your booty. Who? Shake your booty. Say who? It's a booty. Who? It's a booty. Say who? Shake your booty. Shake your booty. Say who? It's a booty. Who? It's a booty. One leg up, 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 one leg up.
Yes, yo, my name is Real Pia Jabba. I'm chilling with DJ.
DJ, hold it. If you know you are happy with Idris, a round of applause for Bros. A round of applause. And Bros, never go. I know why, Bros. If when I want say, make me a Bros, make you do one more song.
Lecturer.
One more song. One more song. Are we together? Are we together? We want money to full this stage. One enough Mado. Bros. One more song, Bros. Bros, I know, Bros. I beg you, Bros. For me. DJ. Mona come out, come support to.
No be lie. Yes, DJ, give me lecturer. Hey, you girl. Stand up, tell me what's your name. Your name na Bimbo. Bimbo, who hear me? What's up, DJ? What you say? Bimbo, who hear me? Yeah, sit down, I'm feeling like you failed my test and you failed my exams. I say if you want to pass, you know what to do. Are you sure? You failed? Like you don't crease. Your head no correct at all. Now lecturer be that. Mumu. Check out my fair now. Check out my fair now. Excuse me, sir. I beg you to clap for yourself. I beg DJ Nadola.
Okay, I never even start. Any money wanna display me, like Kelly Blind get up. Any money where you wanna display me, like Kelly Blind get up. My boss is in the building, Agbaski, I see you. I never even start. Party never even start. Party won't finish. They call me Miko. I don't want to stress it anymore because we have a lot of people that are supposed to perform. Please, when we talk about legendary, we talk about people like Idris Abdulkarim. Please put your hands together for this man. Now the only man. Obi, I see you. You won't buy motor, see the man here. Now only Idris show 50 cents, say 50 cents, no get muscle. Put your hands together for Idris again. Now I'll go straight to the point. I'll go straight. Thank you. Oh, so Nigerians, they show love like this. They say appreciation is application to do more. My name is Mimiko, but I call myself the one and only because what they do, you know, the market. I'm about to create magic right now. This voice where they talk will soon change. I am the only comedian that does what I do in Nigeria and in Africa. I am about to mimic DJ. When they tell you say play song, you know play. If you play people, Kelly Blind, you want to make money, right? Imagine Nakana yo Okana yo. One come meet Kelly Blind now. One hair Kelly Blind. What I'm going to do today is I will be changing my voice and talking like anybody I choose, like talking like. Maybe when they give me the name. The first person I don't not talk to the camera. I don't already spoil them. I don't already mention Kanayo, oh Kanayo. But from the next one to the 5th person, I will not mention the name. Make una they give me the name. So if una fit give me the name, it means say I get them on 100. If not, like let's say 80. Good. Kanayo want help? Kelly Blind. Come this show. Kanayo know they talk plenty. He go just meet Kelly Blind. Wait till you go here now. Kelly. One name. Kelly. You want to make money, forget all these shows. If you want to make money, forget all these shows. Meet me by 12 a.m. Tomorrow, I will show you the way. Kelly now go ask her, say, Baba, what and what is needed? You have to bring your manhood and 4 heads. The only thing they give Kelly Blind, joy. You say make you give them. Kelly Blind, if they tell you say make you give your prick for money, you go give.
Jesus Christ.
No need, no talk anything again. Now only Jesus Christ are here. No worry. But there's a man that if he comes here and he wants to help Kelly Blind, now small thing go make him go cry. Just imagine this man. I'll give you an expo, Nollywood. This man come here because of Kelly Blind. Once I knock the voice and you get the voice, I want all of you to mention the name. The man enter here. He go ask the first person we won't carry and go in seats. He go ask him. Where is Kelly?
Oluje comes.
He go come carry and go meet Kelly. As he meet Kelly, if next thing we go here now. Kelly. Kelly. You. Hi, great man. The only black comedian that does a show that even the ones that are seen cannot do. You are blessed amongst men. You are blessed amongst women. Now who be that? I get some of that, I don't get some. When I no spray, I go clap. That's what we take care. There is a man that will come here for Kelly Blind, innocent Kelly Blind. Because this man is a juju man, not manly. All the movies where I don't watch, this man, now only widows in the concentrator. Once he enter here, they go tell us, say, Kelly Blind, then they go say, I come here for a show, I'm telling you, turn it down. Okay, now, back to back, now change out. Let's go to Instagram. Alright, hello. DJ, if you knock anything, I go knock it 2 by 2 or spinal cord or lock. Because when you go say what? A DJ that is not playing when he's supposed to play what? You run away, DJ, oh yeah. Now let's go to this other side. There's a man I love so much. He's a fool naturally. That one come here now. He fit order like 2 calorosi. When they come ask and say, Oga pay, he will come stand up. Hey. Abeg. Give me my chairman. Where can they come here? They say, who be the chairman? Abaski. They say the man don't go. Hey. How much did they pay to wash plates? Oh. Wait. Now sharp. I had to just come out for you, Kelly Blind. I slept in your house for 1 week. Me and Piano, your stage manager. I slept in your house for 1 week. Kelly Blind still give me 5,000 naira to go back house. Let me bust you guys' mind. When we dey go back house, me and my brother Piano, come on. Come on. This is the guy that did Problem, you know the finish. Make you try to enjoy it. This is the guy that mixed and mastered that song. Put your hands together for him. You know easy. Zero pride. He came for Kelly. Now, let me tell you, my tell you the one will go bust my head. Now this guy do overdose me. Overdose. Don't just in case it. Wait. Hold on, no time. They are playing piano, come on. Are you, this is the guy that mixed and mastered this song. Come on. Piano, come.
It's sweet to me, Father.
Piano, come. Bring Kelly Blind on stage. Don't do. Hold on. I was opportune to hear Overdose before Overdose drop. Because of Piano. Kelly Blind, I beg, I want to say something now, and I'm not joking about this. We have an academy that is running in collaboration with Maven. Please, can you give us only one artist who will sponsor up?
Only one artist.
Only one artist who will sponsor up. If we don't get, we get men, we get.
Thank you. Mind, come on.
Now this guy, brother, you go work tired with that. I hear you. Don't be like say you know they try you, but you need to put in more work.
Make una help him because we don't help people.
Thank you very much. Put your hands together for Kelly Blind. Now let me do this too, and I leave immediately. There's a woman I respect so much. Now why I like Tinubu wife? You go see Tinubu stand in wife stand. Not like Buhari we will not see in wife. If to say Tinubu get wife like Patience Jonathan, he no need contest for election again, he no win. Because now wife don't even talk. My fellow widows, how are you people doing? Child, we scored in everything we are doing. Now that they say go and get your PVC, you will not get no problem. God is watching all of you. Because by the time that we go into 2023, nobody should come you. Nobody should come you. Thank you very much. There is God. Come, waiting I do the normal for our eye. Now they hold the clap. I be make I do the just for now. Okay now, because see, he choke, go join and see you. Now let me do this last one and I go. Actually, I didn't even come to perform because you get the performance when they come for front. If you know you are a lady in the building and you know you are proud to be a woman, put your hands together for yourself. Now, I want to give you guys a key to catch your boyfriends or your husband. If your boyfriend is cheating on you, no go tell him, cross your heart and hope to die. It doesn't work. It doesn't work. Now only one thing they work for Nigerian men. Tell him, you fit swear. He go tell you, say you fit swear. Tell him, you fit swear back of your shoe. He go come out. I swear. Carry and go another place. You fit swear with your life. We where we dey swear with our life when we know say God no go kill us. Go swear with our life. There is only one thing a man cannot swear with. Ask him, you fit swear with main road. Say anytime when they waka or say they drive, maybe to jam you die. The next thing when you go here, must I swear? Must I swear? You say make I swear back of leg? I swear. You say make I, if you don't believe me, forget. He is cheating. Let me give you 2 characters and I leave. 2 characters and I leave. No, let me give you 1. No time. I don't even. Oh, sorry. There's a man that has been late for 8 years in Nigeria. Anybody waiting here waiting Nollywood? I am angry with you guys. Please, if you're a friend to a Nollywood guy, go and tell them that me, Nico, I am angry with them because there are some people where they say when they die, they're not supposed to forget them like that. This man I am about to mimic right now, Pioneer, this man made all of us happy when we were growing up or when we were a little bit old. Imagine going to ask this man, how can I make my female children good in this very era? First thing we do here now, young man, you just asked a reasonable what? Bam, your head is there. So now, if you want your daughter to grow up without being spoiled, this is what you do. You give her what? A name. The guy comes down. What name? Bam, my boy. Now, condescend. You see, as a Premo center pairs under the ecclesiastical authority of higher echelons, when you pass into the flow of physiological, morphological, and hindological variation, that's what God wants in the increment. Yeah, what? Do, kido. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together in Hank Sanuku's voice. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together as I bring up our God, the top. Boom! That's it. No, this one I'll go later. Ladies and gentlemen, appreciation needs application to do more. Put your hands together for my boss. This man knows who I am today. Respect, boss. DJ, what do we got? Hey. Don't do. I go bury him. What's happening now? I never heard like that. What did they worry you? They don't play gay idiots. Stop now. I better not clap for this mumu. What's happening? Anything spray? No. Ladies and gentlemen, please, can you come. Can you don't say the way the people want dance. It'll be time for joke. I don't want to just talk to you. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for this guy. Better clap. This guy and a guy when they give up. This guy is strong past Duracell. Right from time. This guy don't go. He go audition. This guy now for audition I meet him now. For the first time, he killed me, wound everybody. Come, what's about those joking? No crack here today now. What's happening? This guy don't try. Has been doing this, and I want to thank all of you here for coming out. And I really support him. God will bless you. Now, please, when I put your hands together for myself. And I try. God bless everybody. Whether auntie will just come this spray. My sister, come and use me. She over fine walking like get that too fine. She fine. Angel, you don't wonder, you be real angel, forget. That's why angel need the fat now. Real angel, God bless you. Okay, I see you. I will not forget the wife of one of comedy is there. And there's not one here. Wave, stand up and wave, and see you. When I see you, I'm going to come beat you. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much for showing this guy love. Now this guy be the only blind man when they see when they subscribe to DSTV.
Yes, sir, I know.
You know what?
I know.
Kenny Black? Don't let Kenny Black see him. See, man, tell you what Kenny Black to do. If you carry Kenny Black go event, whether he pay, that pay don't suffer. Okay, he don't suck up. You can't wonder what I tell him. I say, come. Where got your pay? He said, I don't suck up. I said, what did you do? He said, carry me enter poto.
I dey fear this guy o. Kẹ̀lẹ́bẹ̀ na package na how you dey take dey dial my number if you wan call me? So that go call Kẹ̀lẹ́bẹ̀ go talk hey Bojo Alpha I say come you dey mad o you be scam I say we go arrest you. Yes this guy no I love him to the bone that's why when he invite me I say no I will come. Ladies and gentlemen one more time a round of applause for Kelly Blind. Kelly Blind I just na man just wait talk am.
Buy your material perfume.
Okay. Thank you. Now I'm the only one joker go crack now. All right, ladies and gentlemen, it's a man crack. Popular demand. Me normally. See, first of all, come. The owner of this place, na Igbo man. Are you serious? Wow! Please put your hands together for the owner of this place. Hey, wait, I want to see him. I want to see him. Where? Can you imagine? Oh, Butaga. You don't play against your church. Very humble man. See where you go sit down. This guy, you go for Ebola. We'll give our Ebola. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for CEO. Away. You know me, as I talk, as I take talk, I love perfume so much. I don't take perfume play. I don't joke with perfume. All those expensive ones, what they say, 100,000, 150, 200. And they use them, my sister, I never laugh over. I don't get money to buy them. Man, just tell you how they use them. I go always go perfume shop where they sell them. Do like that one buy. You must see people have that to you now. You want buy perfume 100,000, you don't go know how this man. So they must give you sample. So as I don't go there, they'll say, sorry, which one do you want, sir? They'll bring one. They'll never bring them by themselves. I don't send them. Sir, you will love this for businessmen. Can you try it? I'll give them. They'll keep them back. They'll bring another one again. Sir, this one, you love it. Very nice. I'll give them. They'll keep them back. Or that before you know, I don't use like 7. Now that I think they say if you use perfume, expensive perfume, plenty, different type for body once, you're not going to smell well again though. You're going to smell like old motor where they don't abandon. So when I don't use and finish now, I won't come go. But I don't know I will take wrong because you must buy. You don't sample. You say, sir, which one do you want among the one you sample? Now, because I'll come call one new one that exists for perfume history. I'll just first tell them, say, actually the one I wanted to buy, you guys don't have it. They'll say, sorry, can you call the name? I'll say, it's not here. Say, please call it. I've looked around, it's not here. They say, call the name. Now I'll call name when it exists. I'll say, do you have Caplikis? There is nothing like Caplikis for perfume. Okay, Google them, you know they. So I'll not call. They just say, sorry, we don't have it, but try other ones. I'll say, no, it's Caplikis. Please try this one. You love it. I'll say, no, the Caplikis I don't use since they bomb me. Why? Now they'll come and say, okay, bring paper. Can you spell it so that I can look for it? In case of next time, I'll not write rubbish. I run. Now let us see I don't have me work. I don't have Abuja, he work for me. Worry, he work. Asaba, he work. Now when I go about, now I enter the Baba shop. Say, now who's I want here? I don't look around. Hey, stop me now. As I reach the Igbo man shop, Igbo man don't bring boys. I say, now try this one for big boys. I give him. I give the guy back. He keep on. He bring another one. He say, this one, guess will they follow you? Before you know, I don't use 8. Igbo man come the way man buy now. He said, now who buy one by amount when I don't test? Now because I don't get money, I won't run. And I know say there is nothing like Caplikis for perfume. I can't change the body man. I say, okay, the one I want buy, you don't get time. He say, wait, who tell you? Nothing I don't get here. I say, he not there. I don't look at it. I say, okay, call the name. Now you can we confident that you got Caplikis. I shock. Igbo man say, hey, Buka! Wait, Caplikis. Don't pick up. I say, Caplikis. I say, I want to run now. One idea going up my head. I go, okay, take. He said, what thing? I said, this is your Caplikis. I don't understand. I said, what you doing? I said, why they use it for black pack? But why give me the red pack? He said, hey, never don't talk that down. Caplikis black. He said, hey, Buka! Wait, Caplikis black. Now bring up. Caplikis black. Only me I confused. I say, hey, what I want to do now? What idea going down my head? Pam. The idea be say confuse this Igbo man. Now I say, okay, take, now fake. He said, ta. Who tells how they say fake here? Right now say the Caplikis black one they use. The kiss. Now see the thing right now. We come up for head. Boom. Your own now straight to. He said, hey, if I don't talk now, the one I give you Caplikis English. The one they talk Caplikis flesh. He do. Hey, brother. When down flesh. Now say, they bring it, you know. Don't let me, I can't shake. My hand they shake.
People might say, man, they say, nah, in case you plan to call Capricorn, I get you. That's all, guy, don't plan call anything, no vex. Might just tell the truth. Now, window shopping, I don't get money. He say, hey, nah, I know not saying that window shopping, you idiot. Even me say, I don't get Capricorn, they nothing like Capricorn is perfect. You see that way your back? I say, so now my plate that office there. Other time when they call Capricorn, they hear the plate of empty packet. Good night, everybody. God bless you.
Let's shout, man, a round of applause for Paul Joyce. With that same energy, give it up as a walk of life on the same stage. Our own Spider Rider.
If I give you the rhythm, baby, sure you go dance for me. Alhaji, baby, me, I won't spend money. And if I give you the miracle, baby, sure you go run for me. Like a superman, baby, me, I won't fight for you. Activate my data. Baby, don't be when you see me like a mama. You wait, you let me get it out. When I look at all I'm loose, till I swear in the morning. Anytime when she come, my room, you know they like lights. Me and the off flights. Anytime when she come, my room, you know they wear tight. As I enter the skin tight. You're done now. I do it bad, I like it really. As I enter the place, top of a really. Shut the bad, I like it really. As I enter the place, top of a really. If I give you the rhythm, baby, you show you go dance for me. Come on, Alhaji, baby, me I won't spend money. And if I give you the miracle, baby, show you go run for me. Like a superman, baby, me I won't fight for you. Anytime when she come, she know they we are tight. As I enter the same night, I like it really. As I enter the place, talk about really. Show people bad, I like it really. As I enter the place, talk about really. If I give you the rhythm, baby, show you go dance for me. Baby, show you go dance. Come on, Alhaji, baby, me I won't spend money. And if I give you the miracle, baby, show you go run for me. Baby, me I will fight for you. For you. If you be cool, shut up. For you.
Alright, people, if you know you are a married lady here, a woman here, and you cheat, God will punish you. All the men, God will punish you. In Jesus' name. But you know, if you know you are a man here and you are married, and you then cheat, God will bless you. Everything when you don't find, you go see her. In Jesus' name, my mother continue cheating, the Lord is your muscle. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm about to welcome the CEO of OV Kings Entertainment. This guy has been doing this back to back. Ladies and gentlemen, give it up as I welcome live on this same stage, MC, comedian, OV Kings.
There's no
And they talk, you they talk. Talking. Don't you walk on it. And they talk, you they talk. And they walk on it. Walk on it. And they talk, you they talk. Don't you walk on it. Show you walk on it.
DJ, it reached my turn. Now you got the play Curtis song. Oh, well, because I wake up.
Hello, please. If you are happy to support Kelly Blind today, and you are happy to be alive today, can you celebrate Jesus? Don't clap, give them. Yeah, I'm that one comedian. I don't just play with capital letter G, God, you know. And that is why we are here. But please, before I go talk anything, Kelly Blind, now you fuck up, oh. Get why? AY call around 8, make it they come. Kelly Blind say make it still wait, make it still wait, make it still wait. Now once AY come say, yes, say battle they kidnap people. He no good for night. You understand? But they don't kidnap us, but the way they hear our news for this side, come be like say they die here. So unfortunately, AY not come today because his safety. No, man, not like give you. He said the thing, no. So now, ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to welcome myself again. Wanna clap for me? Because I'm the upcoming AY of Nigeria, of the world. You're not going to understand, but soon you're going to understand. So please, I will go back and I will introduce myself. Please, wanna clap for me? If you not clap for me, I'm not going to talk anything. DJ, are you ready with me? Oh yeah, now by force, oh. Now by force. All right, ladies and gentlemen, can we do this now? Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, with the music and clapping official, let's make welcome the CEO of Vicky's World Entertainment, the initiator of Vicky's Blue Talent Boost Nigeria show. Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for Vicky's Open Night. You too like yash. You too like yash. Alright, please, I want to talk something. You get what I observe for this boundary, this Aja. My brother, please, if you did this place, I bet roll poverty from your head. Hello, if you are here, roll poverty. If your neighbor not the roll poverty, roll and give it to your neighbor. Say roll poverty from your head. Roll on. Roll them up. Oh yeah, throw away poverty. Poverty battle. Hello. Poverty battle. Taro. See, project. Now let poverty go on you. You go come place like this. Not be to toast babe. That be the problem. Not be whether the babe go agree. That be the problem. The problem is if the guy agree, where you go carry and go. Oh, DJ, play something, huh? Hey, voila. We go play some more before I go come. We are doing the killer. Please, if you be mine here, please make money. Oh, hello. Even if you don't need the money, just make the money keeper for your phone. Hello. Even if you never use the money, just make them, just keep us for somewhere. Hello. Madam, are they talk truth?
Not true.
Oh, you don't understand what they talk. Listen to me. I say one woman here will be my friend. You they dress like man, I thought they look at. I they never know what in manhood they cause. But please you see man hustle, I run come off for manhood. Ain't a femalehood. No, she don't they dress like that now. She has it fresh. When I come and see how they. You see? No worry. Because I love man too much. Please let me tell you, if you be man, sir, if you not get money, you not fine. Hello? You not get money, you not fine. My brother, when your wife wake up in the morning, get the kind of song where she dey sing. Hello? Make her tell you this song. DJ, give me any instrumental. When you don't have money, you not get dressed fine, you not get swag. Even for the other room, in the last 2 seconds, she will take another they talk about. Yeah, you not fight, you not sharp. Now, even for a room where you go, they not DJ wait.
Here, wait. Even for a room when we say you go still there useful for your wife or guy, you are still useless. When your woman wake up in the morning, get the kind of gospel song where she dey sing. You go to hear song like this. DJ play, give me beat. DJ give me beat sharply. And I don't be this epic now. DJ give me fast beat. Give me fast beat. I'm not talking whether I rap. Best thing when you don't fit give money is say make she dey rap. You know the money they bring creativity. Give me fast beat. Any fast beat. You get the guy song what she dey she feel dey sweep the parlor for 12 hours. They meditate, they give God. Without beat. Hey God, wow. And then give me fast beat. See you, man. You got your key or career. You won't keep my career. Just give me any fast beat. Oh yeah, low and small. Low the tempo small. Now when your wife wake up, because money today, you gonna hear from this. Say, do something new in my life. Something new in my life. Something new in my life. Oh God, my God. Something new in my life. Something new in my life. Something new in my life. Oh God. Do something new. He go sing up for Igbo, sing up for Yoruba, sing up for Robo. He can meditate to God. Even when the husband coming down, only you have been screaming for the past. There's something new in my life. Something new in my life. Something new in my life. Oh Lord. But if the man makes sense like Agbaski, if the man fresh like Chief Otega, yo, if the man get money like Emsum Bakara, when he say he buy house or your wife's name, he buy motor, give your wife weekly allowance now 2 million. If you calculate that monthly, 8 million. If the wife wake up in the morning, now let that wife they sweep, enter bedroom, carry boxers, stash am, Iona, you know the tire, you get the kind of song she they sing. Release that beat for me. You go hear beat like this. DJ drop the same beat now. You go hear song like this. It must be permanent. It must be permanent. What the Lord has done for me. It must be permanent. It must be permanent. It must be permanent. What my Lord has done for me. Oh, if you go into that, oh yeah, just talk about the permanent. If she must be permanent. If she must be permanent. What the Lord has done for me. Oh, it must be permanent. Say, it must be permanent. Alright, DJ, time not day. She will take her one game. No spray, no spray. No spray, no spray. No spray. Oh, God bless you. Hey, Angel. Now only true. Person just hey. Oh, so they give money. Oh, and the first time so don't give money this. Oh, so finally they spray. She will take her in the building tonight. They are my senior brother. I'm not the officer. They beg, you know. But I clap, and you get what that made me like Chief Otega. I clap for Chief Otega. Holy man. What in that DJ? Make I talk. In fact, you won't travel any part of this country, meet Chief Otega. Any part of the world, country, even Sambisa Forest. All right, ladies and gentlemen. Wait, I'm gonna take a easy with me. You get what happened. Yeah, in case you know, when you hear the word Ovi Kings is known for talent discovery, personality, and empowerment. You know, they call me the empowerment comedian, the motivational comedian, But please, if you are a girl here, if you are a girl, you do a low show, I want to play for you. If you do, I said before this year, hey, I can see Angelo. Hey, I bring her now. Hey, Mona clap for Maka, my former boss. Mona clap for Maka for me. That's Amaka, my former boss. Was supposed to be my mother, but he abandoned me along the road. You are no longer a mother now. Have you called me for 1 year? All right, ladies and gentlemen, like I'm saying, we are here to celebrate Kelly Blind. That's not all. This is what AY was supposed to do. We are here to unveil something very special. We are here to unveil Kelly Blind, the Inner Eye Foundation. Meaning, this man wants to take care of a lot of handicapped and other personalities in the world, in Lagos, in Nigeria, and beyond. So we are unveiling it today, and at this particular point, it's not the time of spray. Not just to spray some money. This thing will continue. If you want to support this particular, please, can you put your hands together for a man with double momentum? Put your hands together. The only blind person who also passed me with a C. I decide to be part of the packaging of this event willingly, with my heart, with my time. I think 6 a.m. I've been 9 a.m. We have been here till I just go change, come back. We have been running around, putting it together because Kelly Blind is a brand, and we must maintain the standard. That's what you can see here. Put your hands together for Saziki. Put your hands together for Bliss Jade. Put your hands together for Sonny, and a lot of us have been running around to put this together. Ladies and gentlemen, as we did, like I said before, please, all this money where it's spread me so, I won't take any more. All this money, now Kelly,
Kelly Blind.
I know what he spend.
The stocker. Obi King, you don't try very well. But you will leave the thanking for Kelly Blind, may thank people way up.
I never finish now. I never finish.
If you can't finish, you go even go thank God on his behalf.
I never finish. If I thank God for his behalf, it's no bad. I don't give her the money when people give me. I want to give her my best money.
Let's do this.
So, ladies and gentlemen, I'm still here to add my personal money to the ministry. So please, when you're here now, please, what you need to do, let's support this foundation. You can do a transfer, you can support him later, you can collect his number, you can, this is what we need to do, this is what we are supposed to do, and that's the right thing to do, the right thing to spend money on. My name is Abbas Adogo, Vikings of Lagos, the motivational comedian and empowerment comedian. As you see me like this, me, I don't waka.